pickup truck and my old guitar, strumming tunes neath the evening star. Back roads and sunsets, whiskey in my hand, guitar strings and country dreams in this southern land. Fields of gold and corn so high beneath that Oklahoma sky. Cowboys riding, hats held high as the moon starts to rise. Back roads and sunsets, whiskey in my hand, guitar strings and country dreams in this southern land. From Nashville to Austin, down to Louisiana Bayou, country roads and honky-tonks where my heart is true. Back roads and sunsets, whiskey in my hand, guitar strings and country dreams in this southern land. Fires above us, campfires glow in this country life I know. Back roads and sunsets where my soul finds rest. Fields of gold and corn so high beneath that Oklahoma sky. Cowboys riding, hats held high as the moon starts to rise. Back roads and sunsets where my soul finds rest. Back roads and sunsets. Back roads and sunsets. sunset slow over fields of gold, on the back roads where the stories unfold. Old pickup trucks, the dust in the breeze, rolling through life as free as you please. Back roads and bar stools, that's where I'll be, with a cold one in hand and my old guitar, you see, singing about love and hard-working hands, living the dream in this hard land. There's a girl back home with a sweet southern smile. She's been waiting for me, it's been a while. But these open skies keep calling me back to the road, the freedom, the life I can't lack.